May experience mo na kung paano magpalipad ng eroplano habang binabaybay mo yung Pampanga River, lumipad kasama ng migratory birds, and Mount Arayat right in front of you. All of that for only 4,888 pesos. From the culinary capital of the Philippines, welcome to Angeles City Flying Club in Pampanga. More or less 2 hours lang to from Manila, and searchable siya both Waze and Google Maps. Yung 4,888, good for 15 minutes na flight experience. Pero you can fly up to 45 minutes. Inclusive na pala dyan yung full day access sa swimming pool and cottages nila. May food park din sa second floor and you can order food from there. Yung plane, maliit lang siya. 2-seater. And wala siyang cover. So, diretso talaga yung hangin sa mukha mo. Pero very strict naman sila sa safety protocols. And you'll be flying with professional pilots naman. Malakas talaga yung hangin sa taas. So kung magte-take ka ng picture or video, make sure na hawak mong mabuti yung phone mo. Nakakatakot ba siya? Well, syempre. Pero one thing is for sure, tuto pa rin niya yung pangarap mo nung bata ka pa na ma-experience kung paano lumipad na parang si Captain Barbell. I know it's scary, but just remember, in the end, we only regret the chances we didn't take. Thanks for watching and kita tayo ulit.